What's up, guys? Josh here at 1320 Synthetics. We're in the truck. I found a stretch of road here for the cruise control on. So there's been a lot that I'd like to discuss and get out there on social media, but I can't just get it. There's just too much. Seems like I can't make enough posts. Then I try to wait because I don't want to post too much stuff in one day. So between that and the shadow banning, just hasn't been a really effective tool. It doesn't seem. So we recently launched the new website at 1320synthetics.com. That's going really well. I think we're averaging like 1,800. I think last month was like 1,800 views or visits. Good amount of generation of revenue came through it. It seems to really help with kind of getting information out there about our company, the things that we do, all the extra stuff that we offer, not just an AMSOIL dealer. But we've also got links on there. If you haven't already, there's a brand new preferred customer catalog. You can go in there and get that. They'll send that out to you for free, whether you're a customer or not. You can find that link right there on our website real quick. And then right there next to it, you'll see the link for preferred customer. That's what I'm really excited to talk about. It should really help get our business to a higher level, and also be able to help customers, both current and future customers, make it a whole lot easier to get your favorite AMSOIL products at the price, at wholesale prices of up to 25% off with those accounts. AMSOIL just recently revamped that whole program as of November 1st, so it's active now. For you current customers, preferred customers, if you haven't never logged in, I really encourage you to log in there and check it out. There's this place in there for you to put your birth date in, and AMSOIL will give you a $5 coupon on your birthday towards an order. Other benefits of the new program include every $100 you spend, they'll give you a $5 coupon towards your next purchase. And then the biggest one for me, which I think will be the most popular benefit, is that for you guys that are spending $500 or more a year, there's no longer any membership fees whatsoever. So a lot of rewards for getting kickbacks with that program. First year is usually $20 to sign up. Maybe you're not quite sure that is an option for you, a route that you want to take. Reach out to us. We do offer we can sponsor a 6-month trial membership. Let you guys get a first order in there. Go get a few products, try them out, and see how that likes. Not too difficult to rack up $500. We don't feel. We got a lot of customers do that just from their personal vehicles. Because they're servicing their vehicles front to back, and then they're doing their wife's or their girlfriend's vehicles, their kids, their in-laws and outlaws. Before they know it, they're not only getting their account free, but they're getting a little kickback. The rewards for spending over $100 each time you get that $5. So so if that's something you're interested in, slide over to our website there, 1320synthetics.com, for a little bit more information on the preferred customer program. Or you can go directly to amsoil.com and just sign up right away. Our referral number is 538-3521, and that'll assign you to our team of AMSOIL professionals and lubrication specialists. So even though you're logging in and placing your orders with your account, you can still reach out to us for any kind of product recommendation, whether it's about specific specs, certain vehicles. Nowadays require a lot of special fluids, and it can get kind of confusing and overwhelming. So we try to take the hassle out of that for everybody. You'll kind of find, you'll notice that on our website as you get into different vehicles, different web pages. We try to eliminate the complexity of trying to source all these special spec fluids, or being overcharged at the dealership for their semi-synthetics and non-synthetic fluids. They can be extremely expensive nowadays. So yeah, also for a customer account, the same is still free shipping on orders over, I believe it's $125 now, or no, still $100. They bumped it up to $9.99. Yeah. So, but free shipping, get them orders over $100. You're still getting 25% off, up to 25% off of all your favorite products there. And then there's promotions. Like right now, there's you spend over $75, they will ship you a free quart of their synthetic bar and chain oil. Be sure to take advantage of that. Getting more free stuff that comes right. They do several promotions throughout the year, so sometimes guys try to hold out and wait for those. There's quite a few that come around with free products ranging from their whole product line. So yeah, be sure to check it out, 1320synthetics.com. Again, our referral number is 538-3521. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and we're also on TikTok. Got some videos popping up there. We'll try to keep doing more of these for YouTube. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.